In this question, we've got a circle with given diameter endpoints. So let's go ahead and just get a little idea of where these are on an XY axis. So we've got our X right here and our Y right here. So that's 4, 3 right there. And 8, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, and that's 8, 6 right there. So we have a circle that looks like that generally, and it's got the diameter that goes straight from the 4, 3 to the 8, 6. And what we're saying is that any diagonal segment really is part of a right triangle, whether we realize it or not, has a vertical component and a horizontal component. And we can figure out the lengths of those because on the height, we're going from a height of 3 to a height of 6. So that's a height of 3. But on the horizontal positioning, we're going from 4 to 8. So from 4 to 8, that's 4 right there. So we know we've got a right triangle with 4 and 3 as the two legs. Now that's just a nice 3, 4, 5 triangle that you should know by heart. If not, you could have done 3 squared, Pythagorean, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. But for a 3, 4, 5, or even a 5, 12, 13 circle, you shouldn't have to do that. You should know those Pythagorean triples, that those are numbers that just go together. Now, if the length of the length of the diameter is 5, then the radius is going to be half of that. That's going to be half of 5. That's going to be 2.5. So 2.5, which as a fraction would be 5/2. Now, why do we need r? Because this right here is the format of the equation of the circle. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And so anything in that format tells us that what we have in these two spots would be the center, and what we have in this other spot here is the radius. So we're being asked for r, which is the radius, and we figured it out on the picture. It has a length of 2.5, and that's our answer.